Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can speed up Firefox over on your computer. So in order to speed up Firefox, we have a few ways in order to do that. So just follow along, I'm going to give you guys the first step right now, and the first thing right now is just opening a new tab like this, and then in your search bar just type in about and then a dot dot, and what you then need to do is type in memory, just like this. You can just copy it like that. Then you will get to this screen right here, and all you need to do is click on minimize memory usage, just like that. You want to click on it and then it will say this, and then you're good to go. Once you've done that, the second thing you want to do is go to the top right corner of the screen at Firefox, click on those three little stripes, then click at settings, and then just scroll down till you find performances. Performances is right here, and what you need to do is simply disable use recommended performance settings, and what you then need to do is make sure to have this box checked called use hardware acceleration when available, so make sure that this is checked. Now once you've done that, what you can immediately do as well is head over into privacy and security at the left side right here, and once you've basically done that, scroll down till you find clear data, just click on it and click on clear, and all of your cookies and data will be cleared from Firefox, which will also help basically Firefox run much faster. Once you've done that, you can also immediately just remove all the extensions you don't use, because extensions use a lot of your memory, so just remove all of them that you currently have enabled by just either deleting them right here or at least switching them off when you don't use it. And then the last thing I would recommend doing as well is heading over into your activity monitor or taskbar, and what you can simply do is double click Firefox just like this. Let me quickly double click it, it's this one. And then what you need to do is simply click on quit like this and click on force quit, and then your entire Microsoft will basically be force quitted, and when you reopen it again it has basically given a hard refresh, and all of your cache and memory will be cleared as well, which will just make Firefox run a lot more smoother, and you can do that once or twice a day in order to optimize Firefox speed basically. And that are all the things I have for you guys. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.